Good morning. Welcome to our presentation. Our topic is kinetic payment, and my teammates are Adul Chandan, Adul Raj, and Jidin. And we are guided by Arjun sir, Assistant Professor, Trinity College of Engineering. Moving on to our project overview. It includes introduction, objective, what is kinetic payment, materials, types of flow mechanisms, piezoelectric flow types, footsteps as an alternative energy source, key features, application in civil engineering, why select this topic, literature review, project phases, summary, kinetic payment figure, and reference. Introduction. The energy consumption is increasing every year and therefore need of fossil fuels is also increasing day by day. Kinetic payment is a sustainable energy source of electricity generation. Its idea is to generate efficient electrical energy using human footsteps. It is later named as wave gun technology and also known as kinetic footfall. Objectives. The two main objectives of this project is achieving greater sustainability and reducing the need of non-renewable energy sources. Next we can look what is kinetic payment. Kinetic payment draws suitable energy from footsteps. Our human body motion possesses high kinetic energy content due to sudden movement, acceleration, displacement, etc. Whenever anyone steps on the pavement slab, the downward force drives the flywheel inside the tile. It spins to convert kinetic energy into electrical energy through piezoelectric effect. On stepping upon the floor tile, the tile depresses by 5 mm, which produces up to 8 watts of kinetic energy. Every step is good for about 3 joules of energy, and this energy can be stored and later used for various applications. Materials. The tiles are made completely renewable and eco-friendly. The top surface of the tile is made of recycled rubber and stainless steel, and the base of the tile is made of 80% recycled materials with concrete. The blocks are waterproof to allow them to operate efficiently in both internal and external environment. They are designed to withstand harsh outdoor locations with high footfall. Types of flow mechanisms. There are 4 types of flow mechanisms: piezoelectric effect, magnetic transducer, microgenerator, and static capacitor. Figure 1 shows the types of flow mechanisms. First one is piezoelectric effect. We all know that it is a commonly used technology. When an object is subjected to a mechanical pressure, it creates an electric current, or it is the ability of certain materials to generate electric charge in response to a mechanical stress. It generates energy from external force or vibration. Here, a piezoelectric element such as PEZT, PVDF, etc. are used as a transducer. It converts the kinetic energy into electrical energy upon stepping on the floor tile. The second one is the magnetic transducer. A transducer contains 2 elements, a magnetic element and a conductive element. One of the element is coupled to the flow surface. When a pressure is applied on the flow surface, the conductive element cuts the magnetic flux. So, current is induced in the conductive element. The third one is the microgenerator. It is a type of generator that harnesses energy from renewable sources. It is a mechanical arrangement containing hydraulic, pneumatic, and a spring. They can detect even small vibrations and produce electricity. When a force is applied on the flow surface, the rotor of the microgenerator spins by the mechanical arrangement, and thus electricity is generated. And the last one is the static capacitor. A static capacitor is provided on the floor tile. It contains 2 charging layers, which is separated by a small gap. One layer is coupled to the tile surface through springs. By pressing the tile surface, the gap between the layers is reduced and therefore charges are induced in the layers. These charges can be extracted and connected to an external circuit.
Piezoelectric floor type. Wave energy floor. It has been developed in Portugal by WADEP company, and it contains blocks with different shapes that can be applied on the pavements, and it is used in private companies in areas with a high pedestrian and also used in high footfall areas, public transport stations, security system supply, and it is used in both indoor and outdoor. Figure 2 shows the wave energy in Portugal. Sustainable energy floor. World most efficient energy converting pedestrian floor in pavement and areas such as airports, port areas, shopping mall, apartment blocks and railway station, and it is used in street lights and signing systems. Figure 3 shows the dance club in Rotterdam. Paved tiles. In various sectors including train stations, airports and public spaces, it can improve data-driven smart cities and it is used for footfall tracking and identifying footfall hotspots also. It is able to connect the range of mobile devices and building management. Electroactive polymer tiles (EPTS). It generally generates high voltages and it undergoes large amount of deformation when load is applied. Sensor network technology and sensor metrics, and the material used is very highly flexible.
PZT ceramic tiles. PZT is lead zirconate titanate. This type of tiles are extremely brittle. They are more expensive. It is ultra-efficient piezoelectric material that converts up to 80% of mechanical energy to electricity. PZT is 100 times more efficient than quartz. They possess higher piezoelectric voltage. Footsteps as an alternative energy source. One footsteps generate 5 watts. That is, 25 footsteps can charge the average mobile phone.
Typical light bulb requires 60 watt in an hour, so one bulb could effectively powered for an hour with less than 9 footsteps. Enough footsteps on enough tile generate sufficient energy and can be stored in a battery. Also, data about people's movement can be tracked using wireless technology. So, the number of footsteps and information about generated energy can be stored and analyzed. These are the key features. Pollution free, collection and storage of energy is easy to adapt in any location, renewable and eco-friendly, less maintenance cost. Application in civil engineering can be implemented on crowded places. Stairs can be also used for production of energy by mere walking. They can be implemented in airports and bus stations. They are also used for pedestrian lighting. Why select this topic? Increasing pollution day by day. Nowadays, pollution is increasing. Electricity is generated as a non-conventional method. This technology does not harm any natural resources because energy is collected from human footsteps. Easy to implemented. It can be implemented in any location. Reduce global warming cost while using traditional carbon fuel.
Thank you, Adul. Next, literature review. Here are some journals we referred for our project. First journal name, Energy Harvesting Sheet Tiles Generate Power from Permanent Pounder by Kaikar and Dhananjay. Second one, See the Futuristic Flooring That Lights Up a City Through Kinetic Energy Harvesting by Charles Mundell. Third one, Electricity Generation from Footstep, International Journal of Scientific and Research Publications by Tom Jones V and Binoy Boban. Fourth one, Green Sidewalk Makes Electricity One Footstep at a Time, George Webster. Fifth one, Canaan Shells Create Africans' First Human Football Pitch by Lee Thomas Mason. And last one, The Best New Gen Energy Technology Could Be Right Under Fruits by Emma Gray. These are the journals we referred for our project. And next project phases. First, topic selection, literature reference, selection of material and model making. Summary. The idea of permanent energy harvesting has become increasingly popular over the last few years. Piezoelectric and electromagnetic systems are adequate solutions for capturing the kinetic energy. As a fact, only 11% of renewable energy contributes to our primary energy. If this project is developed, then only we can overcome the energy crisis problem, but this also contributes to create a healthy global environment. Next, these are the figures of kinetic permanent. Next, this is our model making and reference. This is all about our project. Hope you understood. I convey my sincere thanks to our guide Arjun sir for the support, and thanks to Alex sir for giving such an opportunity, and thank you all.